Do you want to create images like this, that, or even this? Yes, these are all AI generated images and they're really, really simple to set up. All you have to do is use Midjourney. If you don't already know, Midjourney is a cool piece of software that uses AI generation to create all these amazing pictures. It is totally free, but you will have to use a Discord account. So all you have to do is go to Discord and create an account if you don't have one already, and then join their official server for more info. I'll show you how to do that right now. Right, so now that we are on the Midjourney website, as you can see, it does look a bit trippy and weird, and you're gonna be like, what is going on? But it's very simple to set up. All you have to do is click this join the beta icon right here. Once you click it, it will open up the Discord server, and once you join, you can set everything up. All right, so now that we are in the Midjourney Discord right here, as you can see, it has a lot of different rooms. You'll have to verify yourself by clicking the check mark. Once you do that, you will see all the other rooms right here. There's a lot of rooms, but the one that we'll be using the most is called newbies. So you go to the newbies right here and you can see a lot of other people creating these amazing AI images. And you can create one yourself by simply typing in /imagine and then click enter. And then in this prompt, we will type a lot of different words to prompt the AI to create all these cool images. So you can see other people, what they're writing and what kind of images are coming out for them. So you can see over here like macro close-up of a human female eye with iris details showing, and you can see what pops up when you type it. It's really, really cool, super nice, and you can do whatever you would like, literally whatever you want. So what I did right here is I typed a few keywords to get the bot running, like cyberpunk agent with blue eyes, 8K, and then hyper realistic. So you can type whatever you want, but this will make it like super realistic, 8K, and it will be some kind of a cyberpunk agent with blue eyes. Let's check it out. Let's click enter and let's see what pops up. So once we click enter, we have to scroll down obviously to see what's happening. And then over here, you can see the bot is saying waiting to start. And then you just wait a little bit and the bot runs, and then it creates the images for you. It will create 4 images and you can choose which one you like the most, and then you can upscale it and download it and post it whatever you want. So right now it is creating that. We'll just wait like a minute or two and it will be done. As you can see right here, it is starting the creation. At first, the images will be super blurry, but give it some time and then they will start to actually work and it will create the full image for us. As you can see, now it's 31% done. We're slowly starting to see what the images are starting to look like. Again, this is a public server, so there's a lot of people being active and a lot of people creating these images. If you want, you can also click the Midjourney bot over on the side and then add it to your server. So if you want to do it in your server, you can do it privately without anyone bothering you and, spamming, and they're seeing like a million messages while you're doing that. And as you can see, it created the images right here for us. Cyberpunk agent with blue eyes, 8K hyper realistic. As you can see, these are looking really, really good. You have all these different options, and what you can do with these options is you have these U1 to U4 and then V1 to V4. U1 to U4 is basically upscale first to fourth. So you can choose whichever image you like the most and you can upscale it. So if I like, for example, number 3 the most, I can click upscale 3 and it will make this image basically full size and I can download it then. If you want to choose, for example, I like this image a lot, I can click V3 and it will create versions of this image right here. So I can click V3 and then it will ask me for the remix prompt if I want to change some stuff up. Let's say I want to add, let's do, I don't know, like red eyes, and let's do cyberpunk detective, for example, and then click submit. And then it will make another version like this, but with these different prompts. So now we wait for it to create that, and then we can upscale it and download it. It's really cool. If you want to use these other people's progressions for, the inspiration stuff, you can definitely do that as well. You can just look around, see what images you like the most, and then literally use those keywords and like change them up a little bit. And then you can create the image of your own with the similar design. So you can always use other people's inspirations, especially on the main website. If you go to the main website and click on the showcase button in the bottom left, you will see a lot of these different images. And then if you put your mouse on top of it, you will see all the keywords they actually used for that image. So for example, for this one, you can see empty street, arcane countryside, forest, mountains, medieval. So you can use all these keywords and it will create a similar image to this one right here. So all these images, these are like the best of the best that were created using this Midjourney bot. So now it has created that image that we asked it for, cyberpunk detective with red eyes, 8K, hyper realistic. This one looks really, really, really good. For example, I don't know, I'm liking the first one the most. I like these like shadows, the spider over here as well. So if I want to upscale it, let's say upscale 1, I click U1 and now it's going to upscale the first one for me. And I'm gonna have a big full-size image that I can use for my profile picture or whatever I wanna use it for. So there we go. Now it has created the image fully upscaled, and if we open it up, it has the full-on quality. As you can see, all these details in the eye. You have this hair. I thought it was a spider at first, but apparently it's not a spider. It's like this piece of hair. The blue eye on the other one. All these small details, and AI actually generated this image, which is absolutely mind-blowing. I still cannot believe that this is AI generated image. You can create so much good stuff using just a few prompts. Keep in mind that this tool is free to use for 25 images. Once you get 25 images done, you can get the subscription, which has the $8, $24, and $48 a month plan. So with that, you can increase the amount of images you can produce and up your AI game. If you guys did like the video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of AI. Do you think it's gonna be the future? Are you gonna be using Midjourney? And if you don't already know, I do stream on Twitch 3 days a week. Link is down in the description below. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.